In recent days, as temperatures have continued to reach record highs around the world, many places are experiencing extreme weather events, accompanied by ongoing warming of the seas and increasingly chaotic ocean currents. Earth may be facing one of the hottest summers in history. All of this is attributed to the phenomenon known as El Niño, which can trigger deadly heat waves. El Niño, one of the most classic climate phenomena in geography, was once referred to by the scientific community as the Son of God, believed to be nature's punishment for humanity. Since the Second Industrial Revolution, due to human damage to the environment, the greenhouse effect has been intensifying, and so, God had to send his son, El Niño, to prompt humans to make changes. But just how terrifying is El Niño? Over 200 years ago, fishermen in some South American countries noticed a warm current moving southward in the Pacific Ocean every year between October and March. The seawater was noticeably warmer than usual. Peru, one of the world's 4 major fishing grounds at the time, had a high annual fish yield. However, with the onset of the El Niño phenomenon, fish species that had previously lived in cold water could not adapt to the warming seas, leading to large-scale deaths. Local fishermen's livelihoods were severely affected. In that era when science was not advanced, people thought this might be a form of punishment from God, so they called this phenomenon the child of the holy because of the warming seawater. Through long-term observation, fishermen found that severe El Niño events occurred on Earth roughly every 4 years. In Spanish, El Niño means the child. In the 21st century, with advances in meteorological research, El Niño is no longer mysterious. It is generally used to describe a climate phenomenon where sea temperatures in the eastern equatorial Pacific Ocean are unusually high compared to normal years. Once this phenomenon is confirmed, it first affects the Pacific region and all ocean currents and atmospheric circulation, leading to a series of chain reactions, including extreme heat waves. Before the onset of El Niño, nature usually provides some warnings, such as a sudden rise in atmospheric pressure in regions like the Indian Ocean and Australia, coupled with a sharp drop in atmospheric pressure in the Central Pacific. When Peru's desert experiences heavy rainfall, it indicates that El Niño has quietly arrived. Over the past 200 years, humanity has suffered losses and hardships due to El Niño. The 1982 El Niño event was one of the most severe in recent years, with temperatures in India exceeding 40 degrees Celsius, and thousands of people worldwide succumbed to the heatwave. According to statistics, the economic losses directly caused by that event exceeded billions of dollars. And now, in 2023, El Niño is once again wreaking havoc in India. Recent data shows that temperatures in some desert areas of India have exceeded 50 degrees Celsius, enveloping everyone in deadly heat, with some even calling it hell on earth. When we zoom out to the global weather map, the entire country of India is shrouded in red, an alarming sight. However, we must also reflect that this terrifying hell on earth is largely the result of human actions. Technology is like a double-edged sword. While we enjoy the conveniences it brings, we are rapidly depleting the resources accumulated by the Earth over billions of years. According to scientists' estimations, if we cannot address global warming within the next 300 years, humanity may disappear from the Earth, and the dreadful El Niño phenomenon could accelerate this destruction. To survive and ensure the future of human civilization, we must sound the alarm and urgently protect our long-cherished Earth. We hope more people can see this video and take action for our only home and the future of human civilization.